Industrial manufacturers deliver diverse materials and products demanded by customers everywhere. Industrial businesses are capital-intensive with significant investments in facilities, equipment, people, processes, and information. As a result, industrial companies must get the most out of their capital in every area of their business. Today's industrial businesses face the unprecedented challenges of unpredictable supply chains that lead to excess inventory and more warehousing facilities, skilled labor shortages that hinder a business's ability to operate cost-effectively, poor production planning leading to excess work in process and delayed customer deliveries, inefficient resource planning results in the overutilization of crucial resources, eroding margins because of ineffective cost management. Modern industrial enterprises rely on advanced business technology to overcome these challenges, thrive through uncertainties, and lead in their markets. To achieve success, industrial businesses seek to optimize their operations by managing the supply chain to ensure the right amount of inventory on hand at the right time, faster integration of new employees into the business, and effective production scheduling that includes key constraints such as machine, material, and employee availability. Industrial companies rely on PCG to solve complex challenges and resolve problems to optimize operational capability and performance. PCG's customers can achieve the following: supply chain transparency and visibility through pre-qualified multi-source options that increase material and product availability, better human resource identification, onboarding, and allocation to where they are most needed, consistently and predictably, smooth production planning through integrated information, more stable supplies and resources, coupled with deeper analytics to manage change and improve operational efficiency, improved operational effectiveness by having the right resource at the right place at the right time, whether equipment, inventory, or people, in a cost-effective manner. Tighter cost control by the real-time monitoring, collection, and analysis of costs across the business. Industrial businesses utilize PCG to quickly and predictably manage suppliers, sourcing, and inventory from single or multiple sources, generate sourcing plans across multiple vendors to maintain supply chain flexibility, integrate outside manufacturing processes, keeping track of material, labor, and subcontracting costs for more flexible production options. Have an end-to-end enterprise view of inventory from source through work in progress to inventory and shipment. Improve employee availability to ensure the right skills, certifications, and schedules for optimal planning. Embed process maps for faster onboarding and consistent execution. Increase production scheduling intelligence, generating optimal plans, considering material and resource availability, shorten setup time, and grow on-time delivery. Tightly record and integrate labor, production, manufacturing, material, inventory, and general business costs to better run the business. Fully integrate machines, information, business processes, and people for an integrated high-performance operation. Make better and quicker decisions through integrated and trusted business analytics dashboards. Improve business technology security to keep intruders out. Meet shifting regulatory compliance requirements, and a whole lot more. PCG is the leader in creating sustainable industrial businesses by consistently and predictably delivering on the promise of advanced business technologies. We also lead in Industry 4.0 transformation that transforms industrial enterprise businesses to lead in their category through advanced solutions, expertise, skill, and proven resources that lead every step of the way. To learn more about how your business can overcome current and future challenges through leading-edge, best-in-class processes, automation, IoT, analytics, mobility, security, and compliance, please call PCG at 800-265-1230 or email info@pcgservices.com.